So yesterday I showed you guys a sneak peek of the Realme Band. Well, today it's the turn of the Realme 6 and the Realme 6 Pro. Now, given NDAs and embargoes, I can't talk about everything here. Trust me, I really wanna, because these are very interesting phones with some exciting hardware. But today we're gonna take a look at some camera samples instead. Well, with that said, my name's Ash, this is C4eTech. And if you do end up liking what you see in this video, subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon, please. Let's now get this video started. So guys, let's kick things off with the Realme 6. This is the lower variant. Here are some samples shot with its primary camera. The picture looks quite good, doesn't it? Here the greens handle well with these leaves. The side of the building, the colors, the blue sky, quite interesting. This one in particular, I think it's quite challenging given the sun is in the frame and it's kind of sunset time. So that didn't have to be blown out, and a lot of details in the shadows also had to be captured. Here's a low light. And then of course, we get wide angle shots. Usually with wide angles, the closer they are to the primary sensor's colors and so on, the better the implementation. So I want to let you draw your own conclusions here. Moving on to the Realme 6 Pro, we have a couple of samples for the primary camera. And the cameras, cameras in particular, they seem to have come a long way these days, haven't they? We get excellent cameras on mid-rangers now, while a few years back, mid-range cameras weren't all that great. But now, forget everything, just look at the range. Ultra-wide, the regular shot, 2x optical zoom, 5x hybrid zoom. One more time, ultra-wide, regular, 2x optical, 5x hybrid. Now one last time, ultra-wide, regular, 2x optical, 5x hybrid. And if you want, if this is something you like, 20x digital zoom, so you could even get that. Now here are some pictures that were shot in more challenging conditions. And now as we get towards the end of this video, I'm also going to show you guys some of the selfies I shot. Anyway, this week I'm going to be bringing you more in-depth coverage of these phones. So like I said with the Realme Band, for the unboxing, whatever questions you guys might have, please leave them in the comments below and I will try to address it in that video. So are you excited for the Realme 6 and the 6 Pro? What do you think about these cameras? How do you think? What are your initial impressions from just looking at these pictures? Do let me know in the comments below. And also, what phones would you like to see these compared with? Leave a comment. And with that, we get to the end of this quick little video. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt about it. Subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. And thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4eTech. And I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.